to Vlogmas, and today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get this holiday makeup look. Okay, so I did my brows off camera and it's just quick and simple. So now I'm just going to start with my eyes, and I always start with my eyes first, especially if I'm doing heavy makeup, because if there's any fallout then I can wipe it away. Now if you do your face first, your foundation and everything, and then you do your eyes, and if you're using glitters or dark shadows, when fallout happens you're gonna have to wipe this all away and restart your makeup. So one of the mistakes don't make is, if you are doing heavy makeup, do your eyes first and then do your face, because it will just help you with the whole process and just will stop you from messing up. So let's start with the eyes. So I'm going to prime my eyes first, and I'm using my LA Girl HD Pro Concealer to just prime my lids. By the way, the contact lenses that I'm wearing is by a brand called 3 Chung Chewing, and it's in the shade grey, and I'm really loving the color. It's so pretty. It's my first time wearing something light on my eyes. I do have like a hazel brown, but because my eyes are so dark it doesn't actually show up. So we're going to start with a transition color, and the first shade that I'm going to be using is from my Nature Republic Pro Touch Color Master palette, and I'm just going to pick up I'm going for like a warm eye look with a bit of glitter and a red lip. So I'm going to be choosing this color here as my transition color, and as you can see it's a nice warm tone transition shade. So I'm just going to apply that in my crease. So I normally, if I wanted something harsh, I would have put tape here, but I want something very smoky, and yeah. And then to deepen up my crease and the outer part of my eye, I'm going to dip the brush into this deep brown shade right here and just deepen my crease a little bit. Okay. It's nice and smoked out. And then what I'm going to do is use this pencil brush and apply a bit of this shade right here. It's like a glittery shade, and I'm going to apply this towards my inner corner of my eye, and that's going to prep it for the glitter that I'm going to apply. Okay, now I'm going to apply a glitter, and the glitter that I'm going to be using, I actually bought this like many moons ago, like many moons ago. I've actually kept it in a packet because it falls out so much. So I bought this from Legit in South Africa like so long ago, as I said, and I just love how pigmented it is. It's like a true glitter, but like a bronzy glitter. I sometimes use it as a highlight, sometimes use it as an eyeshadow. It's just so versatile. So I'm going to dip the same pencil brush into it, but first I'm going to spray it with a bit of my rose water spray, just so the pigment can stick to the brush, and when I apply it on my eye then it doesn't fall out as much. And that's all I'm going to do because it's so pigmented. And then what you're going to want to do is take your brush and just blend so there's no harsh lines where the two colors meet. Okay, so that's almost the eyes done. I don't know if you can see. It actually looks pretty. I don't know, on the viewfinder you can't really tell how pigmented it is, but right here it is very pigmented. So I'm just going to wipe away the fallout here, and I'm just using my Tony Moly Pro Clean cleansing tissues. Okay, now we're going to apply some falsies, and the false lashes that I'm using is the Ardell Demi Wispies. These are one of my favorite lashes. It's not too dramatic, but it still also has a natural finish on your eyes. So I'm just going to apply that off camera because I hate applying it on camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so the eyes are almost done. We're just going to create a subtle wing liner because the eyes are quite dramatic, and I want to go for a red lip, so I don't want to have so much makeup on my eyes. So I'm just going to make a wing liner using my Essence Cosmetics liquid ink liner. Okay, so that's the wing liner, and I'm just going to apply some mascara, and I'm using my Essence False Lashes mascara. It's Dramatic Volume. So I'm just going to apply that so my natural lashes blend in with the false lashes. Okay, so now let's focus on the face. So for our face, we're going to prime our face. So firstly, what I like to do is I spray a bit of facial mist on. So I'm just going to spray a bit of this, and this is rose water. And then I'm going to prime my face using my L'Oreal Infallible Primer. Okay, so now we're going to do foundation, and what I first like to do is conceal any blemishes before I apply foundation. And as you can see, I have a lot of blemishes here, I have one here, and then quite a few here. So the thing that I'm going to be using is my Black Opal Total Coverage Concealing Foundation, and this is in the shade Truly Topaz. So I'm just going to conceal my under eyes and my blemishes with it, and it comes with a sponge, so I normally just use that. Okay, I think I've concealed pretty well. The foundation is a full coverage foundation, so this is going to help with give me that flawless coverage. Okay, so for the foundation that I'm going to be using, I'm using my Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation, and I'm just going to use the sponge with it. So I'm going to spray the sponge so it's a bit damp. And then I'm going to use this foundation, so I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand, one pump, and see how much that goes, well, how far that goes. And I'm just going to use the sponge to put it on my face. So this is with one pump. I'm just going to do like half a pump and apply it to my cheek area where there's pigmentation, and then also underneath my eyes. Okay, so that is foundation done. Now we are going to conceal, well, highlight and conceal. I always just wipe my lips because I find that I get foundation on it all the time. So now we're going to conceal and highlight. So I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro HD Concealer in the shade Fawn with my yellow corrector, and this is going to highlight my under eyes and just the places where I want to highlight. So under my eyes, so this is just going to conceal as well. Under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, my chin, Cupid's bow, here and here. So now I'm going to set my under eyes, and I'm gonna try out this hack of using baby powder to bake and set your under eyes. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of it underneath my eyes with my sponge, and then just where I need to set. Okay, so while that is baking, I'm just going to bronze up my face and contour, and I'm going to be using my Essence Cosmetics True Mahogany Compact Mattifying Powder. And then to just bronze up my face, I'm using my Milani Baked Bronzer. And then now we're just gonna wipe away that powder. And I'm just gonna spray my face just to add a bit of backup moisture to my skin because it's looking a bit dry. So I'm going to be using my Wake Make Makeup Fixation, and this is a Korean brand. So that's gonna set my makeup and also just add a bit of back some moisture. And then I'm going to add some blush, and the blush that I'm using is the Catrice Cosmetics Blush Artistry, and I'm going to be using this pinky rose gold shade right here. Okay, and then for some highlight, and then we're going to go on to lips. For highlight, I'm using my MAC Cosmetics Extra Dimension palette. So first what I like to do is just spray where I'm going to apply the highlight, and this is just going to accentuate the highlight. So here on my cheeks, my nose. And before it dries, you're going to apply your highlight. And this is going to make your highlight pop. And then just using a pencil brush, I'm going to just highlight my nose. To just finish our eyes, I'm going to be using that same transition color that we use in our crease, and I'm going to apply that to my lower lash line to smoke out my lower lash line. Okay, and then for lips, now we can move on to lips. So firstly, what I'm going to do is just apply a lip tint, and this is from With Fika, and this lip tint is red, and I'm just going to apply that to the center of my lips before I apply a lip liner and lip stick. So this is going to tint the lips first, and then we're going to apply the lipstick. And now we're going to apply our lip liner, and the lip liner that I'm using is Essence Cosmetics Long Lasting Lip Liner in the shade Ready for Red. And then for my lipstick, I'm using a matte black rouge. It's a velvet lip crayon, and this is in the shade Red. And then to finish off the look, I'm just going to set it with the same fixing spray. The completed look, a simple, well not simple, a super glam holiday makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm hoping you enjoying Vlogmas and all my video uploads. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone's having a good festive season and getting ready for Christmas. I'm super excited for Christmas. It's Tara's first Christmas here, so we super amped, and then 3 days later is her first birthday, so it's an exciting month for us. But yeah, I hope everyone has a good festive season. I really love how this look turned out. What do you guys think? What do you guys think of this look? Did it turn out okay? I'm really loving this red lip and the grey eyes with it. It looks so pretty. So yeah, I hope everyone has a good festive season. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and also comment down below if you enjoyed this video. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Stay blessed and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.